In this video, you will see how to insert image in WPS Office side by side like this. You can see the print preview. The images appear side by side and there is no border in between. It's very easy. First, to add images side by side, you need to go to the Insert tab here and under the table, select 1:2 table. So we have two columns. Click inside the first column and to insert the picture, go to the Insert tab here. You will see the option of picture. Click on the drop down and select the first option from file, or you may see from computer. Just open and you will be able to access your hard disk or a hard drive. Just select the image and then click on open and it will be inserted. Similarly, you can insert the image in the next column, and after inserting the images side by side, now we need to remove this border, the outer border of the table. And to do that, you will see here the small square. Just click on it to select the table along with the borders. Right click on the square and go to the table properties. Go to border and shading, and here select the option none. None means there will be no borders, and click OK and OK. Now these faint dotted lines are just for your reference, and these lines won't appear when you print the document. And if you want to type or want to caption the image, just click at the bottom of the image, press enter, and you can type what you want like this. This is how you can insert multiple images side by side in WPS Office. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to WPS Office. See you again in the next one.